Hey, I forgot to talk about verifying your Google My Business listing. So on this page, support.google.com, you can find this blue link here on the left. It says verify your business profile. And with your business profile, you can get access to your profile. And I want to verify the business profile. So we need to check the verification status. Okay, so here, my DinaClaude at Gmail is not, I mean, I could leave it on. Do you want it to be just left on mine?
It doesn't mean it's how you want to do it.
Okay.
You
But I don't know, you might have,
Put that one on there, you can do it.
you have to have a Google or a Gmail account. So Tim doesn't have,
You could do a new one, but I don't have, you have to pay for the account.
no, it's free. Okay, so Tim doesn't have a Gmail account. So we need to create, you want to go ahead and create a Gmail account? You'll have a different one.
You can do it Big Daddy's Garage Gmail.
Create a Gmail. All right, so we're going to just type in Google, create a Gmail account. And so we type that into Google, create a Gmail account. You click create account. So we're going to put in with an E on the end. Okay, so so you got to put your name, your first last name. What do you want to call it? You want it to be short. Big Daddy's Garage.
.com or whatever.
Okay, so we're going to see if Big Daddy's Garage. Okay, what's the rest of it?
Reynolds.
Big Daddy's Garage Rentals. Let's see. Okay, that one's available. So do you want to write down your password so people don't hear what it is?
How big it's got to be?
8 or more characters with a mix of numbers and letters. We're not going to say it out loud. You might see it when I type it anyway. We don't want you all spamming Tim's Big Daddy's Garage Rentals email address. That would be bad news. All right, so if you want to have a Google My Business listing, you will need to have a Gmail account. And they're free. You can have a ton of them. You can have more than one. I don't know if you can use, it might not let you. Okay, it looks like it's going to let you use it. All right, so we're not going to show you the password. We're going to click it next. And what's your phone number?
304 641 7647.
All right, so what's your recovery email address? Like your other email address.
WMR
Uh-huh.
SHARPE
Okay.
INC at WVDSL.net.
Sorry about that. DSL.net. Okay, and what's your birthday?
Are they going to hear that or?
You can just point to it or whatever.
December.
What's the number? We're trying to protect the innocent over here with the birthday and keep this secret. People do know your phone number, but we want you to call us because you need to rent a dump trailer, right? Okay. And then we're gonna put in Tim's birthday, and I'll blur that out later. All right. So we're gonna. Do you have your phone with you? All right, and then you got to verify your number. And when you do that, you're going to get a text message with a 6-digit code sent to your text. Okay. All right. So we verified that. Video, get more from your number. We're going to skip all this. And then accept the terms of service. Continue in a new Chrome profile. Yes, because I don't need Tim's business link to my email account here. That's Tim's. But here it is. Welcome, Tim. You can pick your color. You have a favorite color you want for your profile?
Burgundy, whatever.
Burgundy. That's what I would have picked. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. So, all right, we've got a new Gmail account here. So then, I was in the middle of verifying that account, wasn't I? We're going to go to the Manage Now tab. I'm sorry, I'm a little bit all over the place. I'm just trying to get this done quickly. All right, so we have Big Daddy's Garage, and it looks like it's verified already. Sweet. So it should be popping up in Google, showing it here. Whoops. It should have photos showing up, but maybe it's going to take a little while for those to populate. It's got the hours, it's got a phone number, and I think we're good to go. Cool. So make sure your business profile is verified and get that bad boy up so you can get some more customers. And I'll see you in the next video.